morning. We are in the 911 on the way to Carolina Wheel Werkz. I have a bent front left wheel. Since I've had this car, it's had a vibration when you're on the highway. It's pretty much only when you're over 65 miles an hour, and it gets worse around 72 to 75, and then if you go up to like 80, it kind of goes away. I'm not getting a lot of shake in the steering wheel. I'm surprised by that, being that it is the front left wheel. I've checked all the other ones. They are all nice and true. The tires have no deformities, nothing like that. So hopefully this takes care of the problem. There's a Raleigh police officer here in front of me. Hello, 5-0. This is the bent wheel that I found. I've checked all the other ones, and they're all nice and straight. I'm hoping the camera can pick this up. I'll do it a little slower, maybe that'll help. But yeah, all the other ones are nice and straight. No deformities whatsoever. Alright, so I'm out here at Carolina Wheel Werkz. That's Bobby and Melanie. They're the owners. This is their new shop in Franklinton. It's right off US 1 North in Franklinton. It's 22 Eric Medlin Road. They just opened up out here. They're sharing the space with, I believe it's called j.millstuning. I'll try and correct that, but they got a Honda Civic over there on their dyno. They're doing some tuning, and they just had a test run about 5 minutes ago. Bobby didn't want me to film the wheel straightening process, so I'm respecting his wishes, but currently he's got it to within 15 thousandths. He said the factory spec is within like 25 to 30 thousandths. He's trying to get it all into within 10 though. He said there was 3 different bends in the wheel. He's got it pretty close except for that one spot now that's about 15 thousandths off, so he's trying to get it as close as he can. But they are great people out here. I recommend them. They're real nice. They, like I said, it's independently owned by just them. Oh yeah, that's nice and straight compared to what it was. Yeah. It was wobbling all over the place.
Yeah.
No, I was actually talking to Melanie about that.
I was so looking at what that cracking is. Basically, at one point or another, they've been, or maybe from the factory.
Someone did it.
Somebody powder coat on it.
Yeah.
What this is, it's not bad bake.
What he's?
It's a short bake, so they're really not dry.
Okay.
And that's what causes the cracking.
What he's talking about is these cracks right here. You can kind of see. All the wheels are doing that, and
Basically, to fix them, you'd have to strip it down the bare middle.
And start over. Yeah. How much does that run?
That can run anywhere from 6 to 800 bucks.
So, 150, 200 bucks a wheel.
Yeah.
It's still cheaper than buying a new set of Porsche wheels, though, and or even a new set of forged wheels, because everybody says these wheels are so hard to replace just in the fact that they are so light, and there is hard to find a better wheel that is lighter than this. So what other kind of services do you do?
We offer powder coating, caliper painting, CNC machining service, anything basically except chrome wheels.
Except chrome wheels.
You can't really fix chrome. You can send them out, but they got to go to California. It's pretty pricey.
And Melanie said you can fix cracked wheels sometimes if it's...
Most of the time we can fix them. I'd say probably 85% to 90%.
Can fix them? Okay. Well, awesome. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
So just got back from Carolina Wheel Werkz. The vibration is still there, but I kind of suspected it might be. It was a front left tire that was bent, or sorry, wheel that was bent. But the vibration I'm getting is more, you feel it more in your butt, like it's coming from the rear. I was talking to Bobby about that. He said with those wide, low pro tires, I probably want to get a road force balance on those. And thinking about the way it works, it makes a lot of sense, being especially as wide as the wheels are. So I think I'm going to try that next. I had a little bit of vibration in the steering wheel. That is completely gone now, so I mean that's good. And plus, I mean the wheel was bent; it needed to be fixed anyways. But great people down there at the shop, and it was j.millstuning. I'll add them to the link in the description. I'm probably going to go back there and get the car dyno tested just to see what it does. But he does dyno runs. Just to get a baseline, it's $85, and that's 4 runs in an average. Bobby and Melanie at Carolina Wheel Werkz, they're great people. Again, their links will be in the description below. All right, thanks for watching.